Welcome back, everyone. Here is a question for you. What's one thing every successful business has in common? It's not just great ideas or big budgets, it's the people behind them. A high performance team can turn an ordinary vision into extraordinary results. In this lecture, we will explore how to recruit, train, and retain talent that aligns with your goals. By the end of this lecture, you will understand the importance of high performance teams in achieving success. Learn how to recruit the right people for your goals. Discover effective methods for training and retaining team members. High performance teams is the backbone of any successful organization. It's a group of skilled, motivated, and collaborative individuals who work towards a common goal. For example, the early team of Microsoft consisted of passionate people who believed in Bill Gates' vision of bringing computers to every home. Their dedication and teamwork laid the foundation for one of the most influential companies in history. High performance teams operate with clear goals, defined roles, and effective communication. This structure minimizes delays, reduces errors, and ensures tasks are completed efficiently. Teams that work well together are more likely to generate creative ideas and solutions. Collaboration allows team members to share diverse perspectives and build on each other's ideas. Such teams can solve problems faster, innovate more effectively, and adapt to challenges better than average teams. Recruitment is the first step in building a great team. It's about finding people whose skills and values align with your organization's goals. Hiring the right people ensures that your team has the expertise and mindset needed to achieve organizational goals. Talented employees bring fresh ideas, solve problems, and help the company adapt to challenges. Businesses often use interviews, assessments, and referrals to identify top talent. For example, Google focuses on hiring people who are not only technically skilled but also culturally fit for the company. They prioritize creativity, teamwork, and problem solving abilities. It is also important to clearly define the roles and expectations during recruitment. When candidates understand their responsibilities, they are more likely to succeed in their positions. Recruiting talented people is only the beginning. Training helps team members develop their skills and perform at their best. Consider the example of Starbucks. Every employee, whether they work as a barista or in management, receives detailed training to ensure they deliver the same high quality experience to customers. This focus on training has helped Starbucks maintain its reputation worldwide. Training programs can include workshops, mentorships, and on the job learning. The key is to provide opportunities for continuous improvement so that employees can grow with the organization. Retaining talent is just as important as recruiting and training. Employees who feel valued and supported are more likely to stay and contribute to the company's success. One way to retain team members is through recognition and rewards. For example, companies like Salesforce celebrate employee achievement with public recognition and benefits. This creates a positive work environment and boosts morale. Another important factor is often communication. Leaders who listen to their teams and address their concerns build trust and loyalty. This ensures that employees remain committed to their work and the organization. Leadership plays an important role in guiding high performance teams. A good leader inspires, supports, and motivates their team. For instance, Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, is known for his empathetic leadership style. He encourages collaboration and innovation, which has helped the company grow under his leadership. Also, leaders foster trust by being honest, approachable, and supportive. Open communication ensures that team members feel comfortable sharing ideas and concerns, which improves collaboration and problem solving. Leaders should set clear goals, provide regular feedback, and create an environment where everyone feels valued. Identify a company or organization you admire. Research how it recruits, trains, and retains its employees. Write a one-page summary explaining how these practices contribute to its success. In summary, building a high performance team involves recruiting the right people, providing excellent training, and creating a supportive environment for retaining talent. These steps ensure that the team works together effectively to achieve common goals. What qualities do you think are most important in high performance teams? Have you ever seen a great team in action? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.